All right, so you're asking, so let's see real quick, because it's going to rain. See, it's my stuff. Anyway, you're asking about monitor. Here's what the monitor would look like. You know, so that's how you get the video signal through a monitor like this. It's got the GPS coordinates down there, speed, velocity, whatever, you know, height, how many satellites you have, all that sort of important stuff. Here's about, it's got a pound there hanging. I'll put this side. Pound there hanging, and that's about it. Let's see, I'm going to start it up. Take off. And there it goes. I can go way up there. It's a little windy today. Let's see, it's moving. I'm going to do a package drop. Hopefully you can see this. Here we go. Bam! And that's GPS positioning, so it's holding its position right there. So that's how you know. And it's got everything that it needs to be able to fly. Now I'm bringing it down.